Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing the BeeWi Simply Wireless Bluetooth headphones with HiFi docking station. This is the BBH 300, and as you can see, this was awarded, or actually an honoree of International CES this year, 2014. So this is an honoree product. It's a Bluetooth, and it's actually Bluetooth 2.1. So we'll open this up and you can see the speakers inside along with how this works. So you can charge your headphone on this dock that's included. We'll go ahead and unbox this in a moment. But this dock is also wired to your HiFi system in your home. So you can link the headset to your cell phone via Bluetooth, and it's hooked to your HiFi system. So once the sound comes out of here and you pick up your headphones off the dock, it immediately starts streaming the music to your phone, which is very cool. So it's a 2-in-1 product. And so here's the details on the side of what it has to offer. It's Bluetooth 2.1 plus EDR. Enhanced data rate is what that means. Comes with a docking station, international plugs, and all kinds of other goodies. It also has an iPhone app and a Google Play app. And one thing I noticed when I plugged it in and turned it on is my phone saw the product, and then it said, do you want to download the app? Which is cool. I've never seen a product ask me to download an app right after it's connected via Bluetooth. But this one doesn't. Just going to go ahead and unbox it. This one we do from the bottom here. Kind of just pull it out of the bottom. There we go. And then this part here flips up. And then these come out. And what's neat about these is they're touch sensitive on the side. So we'll pull this off. And you can see this is the volume, up and down, play and pause, next track, previous track. So these are actual touch points. And this is a sticker that comes off, so you won't actually have that on there. And this is what it'll look like when you pull that sticker off of it. They fold for travel, like that. They have a nice rubber coating on top, so when you have it on your head for a couple hours, it's not going to hurt. They're expandable, as most headphones are. And these are completely wireless, which is great. You have your charging point and your audio port there. Here's your on-off button. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. Here's the dock. It's very thin. There's the audio port and charger port. It's basically, this just sits here once it's charging, like this. That's how it looks. Set that to the side. Underneath that is your foldable case. Comes with a bunch of parts. So your charger cable, your audio cables, your splitter cable for probably airline. This is so you can use it as a headset and talk into it with your phone. A larger audio cable adapter, and then international power plugs. These tips, this one's for America, different ones, and that all plugs into this. So let's say you want to plug this unit in here, just line it up and plug it in. Like that. Pretty easy. Once you know which way to go. And then you just plug that into the wall. So this is the BeeWi wireless Bluetooth headphones with HiFi docking station, model BBH 300. We thank them for sending us this test unit, and it's an actual 2014 CES honoree product. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.